Hey guys, we're coming on here so we can do a nature box video. Those of you who doesn't know what nature box is, it's basically a healthy snack. I first saw the review on Gabe Flowers channel. I just had to have it for those little ones. As you know, kids, they have to have something to snack on. And I wanted to make it more, healthier for them to eat. So I had to purchase a box. It's the ingredients. There's not too much in it. It's like, for instance, this one, the pistachio powder cluster. The ingredients are oven baked nuts, which is almond, cashew, and pistachio. So there's protein in there, which is great, and canned sugar and sea salt. So I will try one and I'll have them try to see. And they can't wait to, because we had this box. We received this box like about a week ago, but I didn't want to open it until that I can make the video. So we'll try it. You want to try it first? Oh, you want me to try?
You try it.
Try it first. This is good. It's good, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I vote for it.
You vote for it? This is good? All right. All right. The next one is called Masa Crisp. So let's try that. And the ingredients are yellow corn masa, flax seeds, and soybean oil and salt. Wait a minute. And this is good, huh? Well, hold on. Let's try all of them. Then we can pick which one we like the most, okay? Mm-hmm. What? So far, so good. So far, so good. Mm-mm.
It tastes like Fritos.
The chips, Fritos. See? So this is good. That's a go. Yeah. So you can eat that every day and all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to bring them to school.
All right. So we can put that aside for now. Okay.
Granola bars. It actually tastes like granola bars, and this tastes like Fritos.
You like that one? It's roasted kettle kernels, and the ingredients are non-GMO whole kernel corn, sugar, sunflower oil, honey, salt. Rejected. So let's try. Yeah, you can go first this time. First. You want me to go first?
I'm going first next.
You want to go first? Okay, let's try. We can put that like in yogurt.
I get some more.
You want some more?
Uh-huh.
It's a go. Mm-hmm.
This is the best.
This is the best.
The natural snacks are better than the other ones.
Really? You like that?
Uh-huh.
It's a go. Mm-mm-mm. That's the last bag.
Can I go first?
Yeah, sure. You can go first. They're all getting excited now. Oh, yeah. Thank you. The ingredients are flour and coconut. I love coconut. Almond, honey, natural flavor, salt, barley malt, syrup. I like.
Mom?
Yeah, pick our favorite. Which one do you like the most?
Wait. Which one did we try first?
This one, the pistachio.
Yeah, I like my favorite.
You left the video. What's going on?
She tried it.
Okay, so which one is your favorite?
Oh, that tastes
This
like
one is your
Fritos.
favorite?
Mommy, what's this? Do you like peanut butter gum?
So Nature Box is good to go. And our next video basically will be hair textures. I did a hair texture for her. And so you guys can see her hair texture. And I'm going to do like a moisturizing video with her. And that's it, guys. Bye if you want to.